What's up YouTube? It's back at it again with another FL Studio video tutorial. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to make those lush and sexy chords commonly used in R&B and soul trap beats. So we're just going to be using the FL Studio native plugin, which is the 3 times oscillator. So the 3 times oscillator is a basic plugin, but once you invest your time in it, you can make such complex and interesting sounds. So stick around till the end of this video and you'll be making something like this. Alright, let's load up FL Studio. So the first thing I want to do is make the BPM to 100. I usually make R&B and soul trap in this range, because for me, the slower the BPM is, the intimate and more sexy the beat will sound like. And then I'm going to insert some instrument. This time I'm going to use FL keys just for reference. And then I'm going to insert a sampler. So the sampler will be our ghost notes reference for us to avoid out of key. So let's put it in a mixer. I usually just put a picture and disable it. This will be my reference notes. I think I want to do D sharp minor scale. So let's copy the highlighted notes. We have C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. Let's put it in our reference. Oops. Okay, piano roll, we have C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp, and then just copy and paste it to different octaves, and then we have our reference. Alright, you don't have to do this, but this is the method I'm most comfortable with. So let's make some chords. Alright, so we had our chord. So I just made a 9 chord progression. So a 9 chord progression is composed of 5 notes. You see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 notes per chord. That's what it gives that more lush, or it gives the chord a more fuller feel. So for the second part of the chord, this is the most important one. You'll have to move the third note one down, so that it gives the chord that dissonant feel, which is commonly used in R&B. So after that, I'm going to insert the 3 times oscillator. So this one is pretty basic. So you'll just need the first and second oscillator. Just turn down the volume knob of the third oscillator all the way down, and cut the chord progression, paste it into the 3 times oscillator. Oops. And turn the chords all the way to 12. Now that sounds way a lot better. I'm just going to make it a little wider by detuning the first oscillator. Alright, we're halfway done. I'm just going to insert the 3 times oscillator into a mixer slot. Going to add some EQ at the low cut to lessen the mud, put some low mid frequencies, and maybe add a little bit of reverb. And we're done. So that's basically it. And for the sake of this video, I already made other elements, the usual RnB elements. So I'm just gonna show it in the preview. And that's it. Hope you learned something today.